What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu, and today I am putting out my goals to the whole entire world. And I've done this before where I put my goals on my social media, on my YouTube, and it's really helped me stick to my goals and just stay the course. And when I want to quit or when I don't want to do it, I end up doing it because I've already put it out to the world. So my very first goal that I'm putting out to the world is that I'm committing to running 365 days in a row with no rest days. And I actually started this streak on March 29th, so that is a day from which I will start counting. So this means that I will need to run every single day at least 1 mile. A lot of days it's gonna be more than a mile, but I need to at least run 1 mile for 365 days. And my second goal that I'm putting out to the world and committing to is to not have any form of alcohol for 365 days. And this also started on March 29th. So if you see me, don't offer me a drink, but I will take a diet soda. And my last goal that I'll also be committing to for 365 days is to publish at least 1 YouTube video a day. A lot of days I'm gonna be trying to publish at least 2, but this streak actually started before March 29th, but since the other 2 goals started on March 29th, I'm just gonna lump them all in and that'll be the date. And I really just wanted to put my goals out there to keep me accountable because I don't wanna be that guy that says I'm going to do something and not do it. So this will make sure that I stay on the straight and narrow. So thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me know, what are your goals? Comment down below. All right, see you soon.